All right, good morning, everybody. And you might be thinking, Stacy, this might be an awkward pose. It is. Because I've got my cell phone in my hands, and I want to show you the camera that I film most of my videos on. So here it is. So this is the camera that I film most of my videos on. This is a generic Action 1 camera. And as you can tell, I've got nothing connected to it. And that's because it's external microphone, and whatever the receiver is currently on the charger. So let's go look at that. So here's my crazy little charging station. And this is the microphone, and this is the receiver that I normally use. Now, for some reason, these things do not pick up my voice very well at all. So it's very, very frustrating. So the sound quality, and I've gone ahead and switched to the Action camera, is never what I want it to be. And I don't know what it is, whether it doesn't pick up my voice or the microphone is trash or what the deal is. My cell phone does a reasonably good job of picking up my voice. This Action camera does not. So I found this on Amazon Vine. This is a wireless microphone, and I was really surprised to see it. When I grabbed it off Amazon Vine, it said it was worth more than $50. I just looked it up to confirm that, and the full retail price is right around $80, and that is valid as of Friday, May 30th. So Friday, May 30th, that's what it says. Now, I went and looked at it, and it's on sale for about 50% off today. Can I guarantee that price for any other day? No. Is this thing seem to be going through a range of prices? You betcha. This thing could be anything from $80 to $40. So who knows how much it is when you look at it. So the bottom line is I have no idea how much this will be when you look at it. Let's see if I can get it open. Oh, it's got one of those awful plastic things. I hate these things. On both sides, too. All right, and I found my box cutter again. So let's see what's in the box. Okay. So we got this little guy. Is it rechargeable? Yep, it's rechargeable. This is pretty light, actually. There it is. There's that. Is this the microphone? What is this? Comes with that. No idea what that is. Okay, there's the little fluff ball. A lanyard. A charger cable. And it looks like a dongle, USB 2.0 dongle. All right. It doesn't have, it's got those, but I don't see. Let's take a look at the directions. It does come with some. Thanks for choosing this product. This product is a smart wireless microphone that provides professional grade recording output. Plug and play, no app required, multiple uses, can be used in online, live broadcast, live vlog shooting, program interview, recording, yada yada. Okay. So this is the windproof netting is what this is. But how is it going on there? I don't even see an opening. It's just a fluffy. Just a fluffy. I don't understand. can't really get it open to put it on the microphone. I don't know. I cannot find the opening. Oh, it's got that little thing. So oh. Huh. Okay. I did not realize they did that. This little thing is metal and this is magnetic. So it just snaps on. All right, so that's how that goes. All right. So there it is. So it looks like it's got a microphone head on it, but it really doesn't. It's got those little things, and then this clicks on. Okay. There's no wind in here, but you know. So let's see. There should be, okay, there's a card in there. There's a card in there for recording the sound. So this means that it'll create a separate sound file. I guess I could clip this onto myself, but let's see. Is it always on? Where do we think the on button is, folks? Our on button is supposedly on the side. It says number 5. So there's the buttons on the side. And here's the diagrams in the front. Number 5. So this would be M. All right, we are on. So I guess just goes like that. My little fluffy. All right. 9 is power on and off, so all right, we'll do this.
Microphone mode.
All right. Oh, I can hear it. Okay. Do you hear it? There's a little bit of a delay. That's interesting. So this is on speaker. All right, so I guess I could wear this. I'm not sure how I feel about it, but it is definitely amplifying my voice. This is another dongle for putting it in the computer. You put your card in here, and you plug this into the computer. So that's cool. And this is the charging port. So what we're trying to figure out is if it's better than what I'm already doing. So, all right, we did get it to work because it's definitely working. It's got a clip. You can charge this too. That's an interesting color. Look at that. All right, so this is pretty cool. Comes with a lanyard. Looks like you could maybe clip it on right there. Comes with a dongle that you can plug the SD card into. Charging cable. All right. Yeah, I can see how this might improve things. So there it is, folks. Everything. Let me see if I can get it. Everything that's in there. including the microphone, including the microphone. So there it is. I don't think it likes having the microphone on top of the speaker. But all right, that's everything. And if you like this product, I'll have a link in the description. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe. And I will bring another interesting product to you later. Have a great day, guys. All right, folks, I am back. It is actually several hours later. I got done with this product video, and then I recorded another video on cornmeal porridge with a little bit of instruction on writing. And then I came into my office here and I'm trying to get my whole head in there, but came into my office, grabbed this guy, pulled the card out, which is right there, stuck it in my card reader that I just got, downloaded it, and it didn't have any sound on it. So the only sound that recorded was through the microphone on the camera. So it's a little bit echoey in this video, and I apologize, but I could not use the sound that was on this card because it didn't record. And not only that, I did this video and another one the same way, and I got no sound whatsoever out of this thing. Just the speaker. So there was an issue. It took me a minute to figure out because I was like, why would they put an SD card in this thing if it's not going to automatically record? And here's the problem, folks. You're going to turn the microphone on via this little M, right? It's off right here. And you're going to turn it on via the little M, right? So it's on and broadcasting. If you click the M again, well, let me turn the other one on. Then you turn this one on, which is a little bit easier to figure out. It's got the M and the power button. So you turn this on.
Microphone mode.
Speaker mode, that's what it just said. Now, if you click this M again, it's no longer using the microphone, it's on mute. So, and I can't seem to get it on the little speaker thing. So that's not good. And this is what I'm coming up against as I try and figure out why it didn't record to the SD card. And I go through all the modes. There are various modes here, which is what this power/mode button is. So let's do it. So this is on speaker mode.
Bluetooth mode.
This is Bluetooth mode, meaning it's going to connect to anything with Bluetooth on it. That includes your computer, includes my cell phone.
TF card mode.
TF card mode. This is the mode where you're going to listen to the card in the machine.
Line-in mode.
This is where you're going to connect the this cable right here to the microphone. So you can connect this microphone directly to the speaker box. And you can have a line-in mode, a direct connection to the speaker box. Then we're going to do it again.
Microphone mode.
Speaker mode. It's not recording. None of these are recording. It's just going through the speaker until you hit this play button. Listen. It's not wanting to do it. It's got a record mode on it. It's not wanting to do it. Oh, because it's on TF mode. Hold on a minute. Gosh almighty.
Line in mode. Microphone mode.
Okay, it says microphone mode. So once you get the microphone mode or speaker, you should be able to press the play button and get record mode. But it doesn't want to do it. Turn this off again.
Power off.
It says when it's powered off.
Microphone mode.
Microphone mode. So you hit the play button, and it's supposed to be recording, but it should say record mode.
Power off. Microphone mode.
Testing, testing. Is this thing really recording? Testing, testing. Is this thing really recording? So, it's got issues.
Power off.
Because it doesn't always say that it's recording. So that's a problem. So you could be thinking that you're recording and you're not. And you can test it, but then just because your test worked doesn't mean that you go back and it's recording.
Microphone mode.
Microphone mode. And then it's supposed to be recording. I have no idea if it is. I can't even hear the echo now. So I have no idea what it's doing. Supposedly it's on speaker mode. I have no idea, folks.
Power off.
So yeah, this thing's got some issues, and it doesn't really. The directions aren't much help in this either because it says what everything is right here. And then it's got a bunch of function stuff, but it's so difficult to tell whether it's recording to the SD card, which is probably why you'd want to use this thing, right? It's flashing because it's not connected to the thing. This is off. If I turn it on, it will all go solid.
Microphone mode.
So this is the microphone mode. It's on speaker. And this is now solid green. So, and I can hear myself through this. The problem is that it needs to be on record mode. And I was getting it to do it earlier, and now I can't get it to do it.
Bluetooth mode. TF card mode. Line in mode. Microphone mode.
See, number 10 is the pause button, and this is that play and pause in the middle. Oh, wait a minute. Let's try something else. It's got an order that wants you to do this in. Boy, oh boy, it does not want to do it. Now it doesn't even want to power off. This is so weird.
Power off.
All right, so everything's off. The directions say, I guess I should angle it down a little bit. The directions say to turn on the receiver first, so let's do it.
Microphone mode.
It's on microphone mode. Now, I'm going to turn this on. It's on. They're both on. Now, what what we want to do is get to record mode. So let's try this. This should actually be facing away from the microphone. No, it didn't do it. It paused it, but it didn't do it. Hello, hello. Nope. Hello, hello. It's pausing it, but it's not recording. I'm positive it's not recording. And this is about the smallest stuff I've ever seen. Well, apparently I can adjust the clock.
Bluetooth mode.
Well, maybe not.
TF card mode.
Nope.
Light-in mode.
Well.
Microphone mode.
Microphone mode. Hello, hello. Hello, hello. Hello, hello. How? I swear I got it to do recording mode a bit ago, but it's not doing it now. Let's see.
Power up.
See if it did anything.
Microphone mode.
Yeah, we don't need microphone mode.
Bluetooth mode. TF card mode. Light-in mode. Microphone mode. Bluetooth mode. TF card mode.
Alright. TF card mode. My computer does not see it. My computer does not see this. So.
Bluetooth mode.
Oops. I should have.
Power up.
Alright. So we're going to try and see what's on here. And it keeps saying TF mode. I don't know what that stands for, but that's what it is. All right. So we'll pull this and see what we can get. All right. Open with Audacity. Nothing. Wait a minute. Oh my God. Okay. Wow. I'm going to straighten you out and I'm going to show you something. Check this out. So what I was doing, if you can see this, I was looking at this volume right here, and I've got the no sound MP3. There's no sound on that. Then we've got this record button. Now this did say some Chinese symbols. I just renamed it to audio files. I'm going to open it with Audacity. Testing. So that's that one. I can open it with celluloid too. Testing. Is this recording? All right, I was hoping by... Got a record mode on it. Not what it's doing. It did not record anything I did this morning, but now it's sort of recording. And there's nothing on that one. All right, folks. So the issue I see with this, I'm going to delete all of this. Oops. I guess I could put me back in the video. So it's got some issues. I'm going to go ahead and delete all of these off of this SD card because they're pointless. But it's not acting like it wants to record. So I think that's going to be a big issue. This is an awfully expensive not be recording. So that's a problem. I'm going to try it one more time as soon as I disconnect it. I'm going to disconnect this card. It comes with a 32 gigabyte micro SD card. The problem I'm seeing is that I'm having a real issue getting it to record. It seems to be doing it randomly. And the directions really aren't all that hot. So we're going to do it again.
Microphone mode.
Microphone mode. Turn this on. So both of these are on. Now we want it to record. That's pause. Now the question is it recording? All right, so I'm going to say a few words here. I'm going to stop it. And we're going to plug it back in and we'll see if there's anything on the card. All right, I'm going to stop this now. I'm going to turn it off.
Power off.
I'm going to turn this off. Take the card out. Plug it back into my reader. Oops. Nothing. There's nothing on this card. Boy, that is tough. Let me pause this for a minute. This is ridiculous. Alright, so I finally got it to do recording mode, but I have no idea how I did it. It's on TF, and I don't know how I got there. And it's just tough. Hello, hello. Now, see, now it's doing, boy, it's being tough. Alright, so I finally got it to do recording mode, but I have no idea how I did it. Yeah, see, it's recording. How I got there. It's
Power off.
Now let me turn this off again. This is really weird, folks. So I'm going to turn it on.
Microphone mode.
It's on microphone mode. I'm going to turn the microphone on. Microphone's on. So then,
Bluetooth mode. TF card mode.
TF card mode is SD mode. So let's see what happens. Not doing it.
Recording mode.
There it is. Recording mode. So now it's recording. So it looks like you have to turn it on, go to TF mode, and then hit the play button, and it will start to record. That is crazy, folks. All right. I think I have finally figured it out. So I'm going to leave this video right where it is. You guys can buy it and try it or whatever. It was not easy to figure out, and the directions don't really tell you how to get to recording mode. But it is supposed to amplify and record just like it's doing right now. Alright folks, that really is the end of this video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and the link to this product will be down below. Have a great day, guys.